Hey guys, welcome back to Web3 Money. We will be doing a culture trip with our NFT review number 14. We will be talking about Fidenza by Tyler Hobbs. Um, this name reminds me of Thomas Hobbes, the philosopher. Uh, Anyways, doesn't matter. Uh, Fidenza by Tyler Hobbs is an NFT collection review regarding generative art specifically. So Tyler Hobbs has actually been a leading force in the NFT space, been very popular. He's been working with Tashin, Sotheby's, very big players in the art world, not in the generative AI world or even the Web3 world, like traditional art specifically. Tyler Hobbs is actually a visual artist from Austin. He combines his background in computer science with his artistic skills to create unique pieces using algorithms and coding techniques. His work is characterized by the use of organic curves, non-overlapping shapes, and probabilistic color palettes, which are all generated through a custom flow field algorithm. And we'll go ahead and show you guys exactly what that is. But why don't we go ahead and talk about the team? The team is just Tyler Hobbs. He is the sole and only creator behind the Fidenza collection. So as I mentioned, he is at the intersection of technology and art at the same time. Fidenza is a pretty cool name. He initially released it on the Art Blocks platform, which is known for its curated series on generative art. You guys can go ahead and follow him at Tyler X Hobbs on Twitter. I like the aesthetics of Tyler Hobbs. I think he has a really cool approach and branding and personal brand image that is very unique. And I really appreciate that about him, actually, based on the initial research that I've done, his Twitter profile and, all that stuff. And yeah, he's a visual artist and he's the sole creator of Fidenza. He's also the co-creator of QQL, which we will talk about just in a bit. So the value proposition. So the Fidenza collection is valued for its aesthetic appeal and the technical innovation of its generative algorithm. Each piece is unique, and the algorithm's flexibility allows for a wide variety of outputs, ensuring that collectors can own a one-of-a-kind digital artwork. The collection has gained significant attention to its rarity and the skill involved in its creation, making it sought-after investment in the art market. Here you could see that he released his QQL 300, and they've been recently minted March 7th, or at least that's what it says here on their Twitter page, and they congratulated the address for purchasing it. And we'll talk a little bit more about that. So Fidenza collection has a strong community of collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate the blend of art and technology. The collection has seen significant success in the secondary market, with some pieces selling for millions of dollars. Tyler Hobbs is continuing to innovate within the generative art space with projects like QQL, which invites collectors to collaborate in the art creation process. So these are some of the photos or some of the transactions that I've seen in the recent time, just in terms of the collection itself. So here, for example, we could see that there's been some NFTs that have been listed very recently at the value of like 300 Ethereum or 117 or even 189. And at the same time, we see that there was a sale for 142, right? So this is definitely something that's interesting. I mean, it definitely is like a real art project in the pure sense of the term. And definitely something to, engage with, definitely, and, pay attention. So why don't we go ahead to the QQL, mint monitor. Beep, boop, beep, I'm a bot. I monitor new mints for QQL and publish my findings here. So definitely check it out. This is a really cool initiative from Tyler Hobbs. So if you guys are interested, if you want to read more about him, definitely, check out his Twitter. I think his art is, interesting. I mean, there's definitely some really interesting aesthetic appeal to his algorithms and how he's actually able to go ahead and create this art. But yeah, the guy's connected and he does a good job. And if you actually look at his Twitter, why don't we go ahead and do that quickly right now? Fidenza is trending 13. X. Okay. So if you look at his Twitter, let's go ahead and see. I saw something with a book. Okay, here. So proud that Killin and Offscript were featured in Tashin's latest publication. Many thanks to Tyler Hobbs for his elegant writing on memories of Killin, right? And here we could see, great to see our Incomplete Control 90 by Tyler Hobbs in the new Tashin book, right? So you could see here his art being displayed inside of Tashin, one of the biggest distributors and publishers of artistic books out there. Obviously tweeted by Graylers DAO. So shout out to Graylers DAO as well. Community focused on DAO supporting generative and blockchain-based artists and the wider art ecosystem. If you guys are interested in this space, definitely go ahead and follow the Graylers DAO. And yeah, this has been the NFT review for Fidenza, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow for another one. And I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the day. Take care, guys.